What's up, my people? Today I'm filming another video. I'm back. How y'all doing today? I hope y'all doing great. I think I'm gonna tell a story. Okay, about 4 years ago, I decided, okay, been off for 5 years. I see the true colors now of people, including people that was close by me, that I would have probably did almost anything to help them out with. They decided they would not help me out with that. Nothing. You hear me? Thank God I had my own home. That's the only thing that really saved me, my own home, because I didn't have to listen to none of them. You hear me? Just go on to my house and enjoy myself. And that's what I did. I went in my own house now 4 years ago, 4 years and 8 months ago. I thought to myself, okay, one, I thought I was pregnant. Oh my goodness, y'all. I called up that fiance and said, I think I might be pregnant. He was like, you trying to make something out of this, ain't you? You is trying to make a name for yourself. You trying to keep a baby. Now you trying to keep a baby. Now this was the first time I had ever seen this side. This guy was flipping, and I was seriously like, I don't want to have no freaking baby anyway. I done had all my kids. I done had 4 kids, and they all was already they're grown. And you think I want to have another baby? And here I am. I'm saying, this can't be happening. But I told him that. He said, you gonna be on welfare, you gonna be out in the streets, you gonna be doing this, you doing X, Y, Z. And in my mind, I was saying, dude, you